Missouri rental laws outline the rules in the state regarding lease agreements and evictions. We'll examine relevant laws for standard lease agreements, month-to-month lease agreements, and evictions. Standard lease agreement. A standard lease gives an overview of the terms between a landlord and tenant for the renting of a property. A standard lease is commonly a one-year fixed period and is the most widely used rental contract. Month-to-month lease. A month-to-month lease is an agreement between a landlord and tenant that renews automatically every month and terminates upon notice by either party. In Missouri, notice must be provided a minimum of 1 month prior to termination. Required disclosures. In Missouri, there are no required state disclosures that must be included in the lease. Landlord access. In Missouri, the landlord is not required to give a tenant notice before entering their property for repairs or any non-emergency reasons. Security deposit laws. In Missouri, the maximum amount a landlord can charge for security is 2 months' rent. The money must be returned to the tenant within 30 days of vacating the property. Eviction laws. There are 2 legally accepted causes for eviction in Missouri. Non-payment of rent. If the tenant is late on rent, the landlord can issue a notice to pay or quit, which is also called a written demand in the state of Missouri. The landlord must give the tenant at least 1 full day to pay the late rent. If the tenant fails to pay rent by the day demanded, the landlord may then file a rent and possession lawsuit. Non-compliance. If the tenant breaks any portion of the lease other than late rent, the landlord may give the tenant 10 days to either comply with the lease or vacate the property.